This media coverage is brought to you by Risk Africa in association with SSP Worldwide, leading providers of insurance technology solutions.
This is Risk Africa TV coming to you from the city of Tunis, Tunisia. It's the third day of the 2015 Annual African Insurance Organization Conference. With me now is Commissioner for Insurance Nigeria. Mr. Fola, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Just to begin with, how have you enjoyed the conference this year, and what is the kind of benefit to you as a regulator to be able to come and share ideas and input with other regulators?
I think the conference continues to be relevant and educative, a forum to exchange ideas from people from different jurisdictions outside Africa. So it's quite a very rich conference, and it continues to be very beneficial. For me personally, I've learned new things, I've met friends, I've met fellow professionals from jurisdictions within Africa and outside Africa.
How many of the regulators are here from the African states? Do you know?
We had a regulators meeting yesterday, and there are more than 20 of us. So at least 20 jurisdictions, 20 countries were represented in our meeting. So it was quite a good turnout.
And what are the benefits of being able to have a meeting like that and share your knowledge?
The insurance regulation is becoming a universal thing. I mean, there are standards prescribed by the AIO, which is the universal standard. And what we're trying to do in Africa is to ensure that we're on the same page with the international standard. So at this forum, all the regulators exchange ideas and experiences of their jurisdiction, which we find useful, taking back home. And we also observe that we're having a lot of cross-border activities. You know, you find Nigerian companies in Kenya, some of them are operating in Uganda, they're in Ghana. So really, we have a good reason, a good need to exchange experiences, ideas, so that our common purpose, which is to do the protection of insurers, so that we can protect the insurers in a manner that is acceptable elsewhere. So this exchange has been quite very, very useful.
Tell me a little bit about what is happening in the insurance industry in Nigeria at the moment, and how the market is doing, and what your key focus areas are at NICOM.
Within the financial services sector, I think the insurance industry is the most active. The banking sector has reached full cycle as far as the market is concerned, but the insurance is a new destination. And I'm very happy that the international community are focusing on Nigeria as a destination for investment. Why? We have huge population, we have a growing economy, indeed the largest economy in Africa. So you can see that the insurance potential is quite huge, and we're happy that international community, the business people from across the globe are showing interest in the market. The market is growing, not at a pace that I would wish as a person, but I see a potential for massive growth. We have insurance gap that is over 90%, which means we have an opportunity that is in excess of 90%. So I see insurance doing very well. I envision an insurance industry in Nigeria that will be bigger than the banking sector. Yeah, and we have the capacity to be there. That's where we should be, really. We are currently number three in Africa. Is a position that Nigeria has no business being. We don't have a business being number three. Our economy is the largest. We have a huge population. Big population is the raw material for life business. So which means we have a huge market waiting to be tapped. And I'm very, very enthusiastic. I'm very excited that Nigerian insurance industry is going to boom in the next few years.
Just tell me, what is the mood in Nigeria at the moment, with having come through these peaceful elections and now with new leadership coming in?
I think Nigerians feel really, really very proud. Of course, before the election, there was a lot of apprehension here and there that can Nigeria do it? Can they have a peaceful civilian to civilian transition? And a lot of people had doubts, given the experience of people regarding Nigeria in the last few years. So there was a lot of apprehension, but we knew that Nigerians can do it. We want a peaceful election. we've had a peaceful election, and we're transiting to another civilian government. So we're really excited, and businesses are raring to go. You know, I knew prior to the election, a number of inquiries were made in the insurance sector. And the attitude there was, well, we come back after the elections, let's see how it goes. Immediately after the election, we had an upsurge in inquiries and people willing to do business in Nigeria. So we're on the road, and we're very proud that we are once again providing leadership in Africa. That's what we should be doing.
Just as a final question, there's been some political tension between Nigeria and South Africa. There's a big delegation from South Africa here this year. There's a big delegation from Nigeria. Do you feel as though that tension has moved into the insurance space at all? Is one aware of that?
I think I have to disagree with you. There's no political tension between Nigeria and South Africa. We had an unfortunate incident where people who had legitimate reason to reside and do business in Africa were being chased all over the place. But that was not an official position of the government. And indeed, the government and people, well, many people of South Africa had come out to condemn it. They have not just condemned it, they've taken reasonable measures to forestall further occurrence. And in Nigeria, I think we're reasonably satisfied that it is not an official position of South Africa, because indeed we have a lot of South African business in Nigeria, very, very big. Probably more South African business in Nigeria than Nigerian business in South Africa. So I think it's a temporary problem, it's a transitional problem, and is being sorted out. Whether it affects business between insurance business between South Africa and Nigeria, the answer is no. We're doing business, we're interacting, and we're looking forward to doing more business. When I talk of foreign insurance company operating in Nigeria, there are at least 4 South African companies in Nigeria, and we see their entry as a value addition to the insurance system. And we look forward to a day where some Nigerians will be able to open shop in South Africa and do business.
Yeah, I look forward to that too. Thank you very much for your time.